Hello and welcome to the Tech Crazy channel. I am Jagdish Sugar. In this video, we shall discuss and learn about the trademark. So I request you to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends and family members. In this video, we shall learn about the what is trademark. So next, types of trademark, objectives of trademark, functions of trademark, registration and renewal of registration, and trademark law offenses and penalties. So we shall learn about these points in this video related to the trademark. First of all, what is a trademark? So trademark means it is a word, phrase, symbol or design. It may be a word, it may be a phrase, it may be a symbol or it may be a design or combination of these. Means इसका combination भी हो सकता है. It may be a combination of symbol and word or it may be combination of symbol and phrase, like that. That identifies and distinguishes. So that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods of one party from those of others. So what it indicates, suppose if you see the any symbol on a particular product, suppose if you say the particular car, so if you see the T symbol, so you can say the car belongs to Tata company. So same way, if you see the other symbols, so you will identify the from for which company that particular product belongs. So that's why it is important to have the symbols which indicates the company to which that particular product belongs. So कौन सा कंपनी ने उसको मैन्युफैक्चरिंग किया, उससे वो सिंबल एंड वर्ड से वो आइडेंटिफाई होता है. So that's why it is important. So next is types of trademark. So there are different types of trademark. First one is letters. So you can see, so these are the different letters. So this is the M letter. So what it indicates, by looking at this you can easily identify. So M means, this letter means it is a McD company. So F means it is a Facebook. So this is HP means, by looking at these symbols, suppose if this particular symbol is on the product, so you will identify that product belongs to this particular company, that is McD. So that automatically customers will understand the quality of the products. So next is words. So these are different words, so that is registered as a trademark. So once the any company registers anything as a trademark, so others company cannot use the same words or symbols. Okay, so that we need to understand. So Yahoo, so this is registered as a trademark. Means if you want to keep our company name as Yahoo, so it is not possible, because this name is already registered as a trademark. Same like Google, so you cannot open the company in the name of the Google, because it's already registered as a trademark. Coca-Cola, Pepsi, so these are the few examples for the words which are registered as a trademark. So next is pictures. Also you can make the registration registered as a trademark. So these are the different symbols, so pictures, so that are registered as a trademark. So this is a famous symbol, everyone knows, it's Apple, it's Android, it's Microsoft. So this is Pepsi. So this type of symbols, pictures also, so you can register as a trademark. So what is importance of registering as a trademark? Means suppose if Apple symbol is there on the particular product, so customers easily identifies by looking at the symbol that that particular product belongs to the Apple company. Afterwards, customers easily understand the quality of the product. So customer need not to go in detail about the product. So that is the importance of the trademark. Suppose if you use any particular symbols and if you don't register as a trademark, so other company may also use the same symbol because you have not registered as a trademark. So that's why, so for any particular organization or any companies, so if they want to use particular symbol to represent their company, so they should register it as a trademark. So next is colors. So colors also you can make registration. So this is the Dairy Milk products. So everyone knows. So Dairy Milk as registered. So this color of the product, whatever the color on this particular Dairy Milk product, so this as a trademark. So that no one other can be used. So next is sounds. Also you can use as a trademark. So setter sounds, so you can hear the sounds while locking and unlocking the mobiles, laptops, so etc. Many other what you can say electronic products. So that particular sounds also, so you can make as a, you can register as a trademark. So next is holograms. So you can see this is a cyber security symbol. So like this, if you have the symbol means holograms, so you can also, these can also register as a trademark. So next is shape of goods. So suppose if you want to register the shape of the goods, like Coca-Cola as registered shape of the bottle as a trademark, means this shape cannot be used by the other companies. Only Coca-Cola can use this shape of the bottles because it registered this shape and this marking also, name also as a trademark. So next is, so this is also a Coca-Cola product. So this shape is also registered as a trademark. So what is the main objective of registering as a trademark? So it helps, it protects the rights of persons who manufacture and sells the goods with distinct trademarks. Means suppose if there is the same type of product manufactured by two companies, if they having the same symbol, अगर दो कंपनी ने सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट को मैन्युफैक्चरिंग किया लेकिन दोनों कंपनी का सिंबल सेम है, then how customers can identify the product manufacturer, so from to which company it is manufactured, how they can identify? So it is not possible. So that's why each and every company should have the different what you can say symbols and names so that customers can easily identify. So that's why we need to have the trademark. So it also prevents an unfair competition by protecting the use of symbol, word or logo that uniquely distinguishes the goods or services of a firm. इसको अगर आपका कंपनी को पर्टिकुलर ट्रेडमार्क कराने से, so that your company will separates from other company. So other customers can easily identify your company products. So that's why, so each and every company should have the separate symbols and words and logos. Otherwise it will create the unfair competition, so between the different companies. So next is functions of trademark. So functions क्या है? Trademark का functions is to identify the goods or services and its origin, सो गुड्स किधर कौन सा है, कौन से कंपनी का है, सो किधर से आया, वो सब आइडेंटिफाई होता है. सो उसके बाद आफ्टरवर्ड्स इट गारंटीज द अनचेंज्ड क्वालिटी. मीन्स if customer identify the what you can say name of the company by looking at the symbol on the product, means it automatically indicates the quality of the product. Afterwards it also make the advertisements, it advertises the goods and services. So also it creates an image for the goods or services. So next is registration and renewal. So registration can be done in trademark offices. So you can make registrations at the different trademark offices, and also you need to make the renewal of registration can be done after 10 years. हर 10 साल के बाद आपको renewal करना पड़ता है registration को. So trademark offices are available at located at Mumbai, so which is head office. So trademark head office is located at the Mumbai, and also trademark offices are available at Delhi, Kolkata, Ahmedabad and Chennai. So also you can make the applications can be sent online. Online से भी आप apply कर सकते हैं. So next is trademark law offenses and penalties. So if you have the someone makes the unfair use of the trademarks, so there will be some laws, so which will punish that particular people. So suppose if anyone breaks this law, trademark law, so it will be punishable for falsely applying the trademark to goods. अगर आप suppose if someone manufactures the goods and if he uses the label symbols of other companies to make the to sell the products, so that will be punishable. उसको punishment होता है. So that's why so you cannot do that. So minimum 6 months of imprisonment which may be extended up to 3 years. 3 years तक उसको punishment हो सकता है, जेल हो सकता है. So minimum fine of rupees 50,000 and may extend to rupees 2 lakhs. So 50,000 से 2 lakhs तक punishment होता है. So maybe more than this. So depending upon the how that particular persons will earn by using the symbols. अगर दूसरे कंपनी के symbols use करके आप जितना कमाता है, that whole amount have to return to that particular company. So that's why we should not use the trademark of other organizations. So I thank you for watching this video. So please like this video, like, subscribe and share with your friends and family members. So take care. So I will see you in the next